I'd like to welcome now Michael Rady, who's a Senior Education Programs Manager at GLSEN and a founder of the Rainbow Library, to say why GLSEN signed on as a co-sponsor. So welcome, Michael. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Jesse. It's good to be with you all today from around the country. Hi, everyone. I'm Michael Rady. My pronouns are he, him, and his. I'm the Senior Education Programs Manager at GLSEN. In my breakout room, there are a lot of folks that did know about GLSEN already, but for anyone that's new to the organization, GLSEN is a multiracial, intergenerational, LGBTQ+ organization where we support schools to be LGBTQ+ inclusive, right? And part of my work is supporting a program called the Rainbow Library that sends LGBTQ+ affirming books to schools across the country for free. Right now, we are in schools where 5.4 million students across the country now have access to Rainbow Library books. And so from running this program, I've heard firsthand from educators, from school librarians about the power of affirming literature for students, thinking about the stories I've heard where, a school gets a set of our books and then the next day they're all checked out from their school library. Stories where students, don't want to return the book because they're so attached to it. And so we've heard those positive stories. And at the same time, we've heard firsthand just the harms that these book banning attempts have had on students and affirming literature, not only meaning the erasure of these stories of this history from schools, but making kids who are Black and brown, kids who are LGBTQ+ feel excluded, like they don't belong, that they shouldn't be there. And so that's why we're in this fight, and we're joining as a co-sponsor with as part of Teach Truth, and we're looking forward to hosting events, working on you all with events. I invite you all to go to glsen.org or rainbowlibrary.org to learn more about the work that our organization is doing, and also to request a set of books yourselves. And I'll pass it back to you, Jesse.
Michael, thank you so much. And thank you to all of GLSEN for joining in on helping organize this National Day of Action.